Welcome back to The Culinary Way. I'm your host, Christina Dees. Discover your inner chef with quick culinary arts at Robinson Community College. This is Chef Forsberg and student Jamal Jackson. They're going to show us a quick, 6 ways to make avocado toast today?
6 ways.
6 ways to make avocado toast. How do we get it started?
So first of all, we get a nice avocado. We don't want it baseball hard. You want a little bit of give to it.
Yeah.
And then of course what you do, you just come through here, you separate it. Now if you want to do diced, you do this way if you want to do diced avocados, but we're going to mash it anyways. So what you're going to do is take your spoon through here, just separate it. I like leaving avocado pits in there so it doesn't discolor.
Another chef secret. Save your avocado pits, put them in there, and then your avocado doesn't turn, your guacamole doesn't turn brown.
Color a bit. And then all we gotta do is smash it together. Now the more ripe it is, the softer this will be. Now what we usually do after this, we'll chop up some onions, some tomatoes, we'll get some cilantro, get about 2 limes, and we'll get the juice, and we'll mix them together. And once we mix them together, we start off this way, it should end up like that.
So then from here, we've just added the onions, the tomatoes, the cilantro, some salt, some lime.
Yes, ma'am, and taste it. See if you need more salt or pepper or a little lime. Depends how acidic you like it. So this is, of course, the fundamental base for all the toast. And Eric is doing the eggs, because what we're going to do is we're going to show you 2 of the toast out of 6 ways.
What would you say to someone who wants to get started in a career, maybe catering, maybe in hospitality, or the culinary arts?
Well, the one thing I would do is find someone who's doing it already. Ask them, what's the pros and cons about it? And if you can go back and tell your younger self what to do and not to do, ask them first, because if you don't, you go blind into it, you're going to fail miserably. One thing about when you get your culinary arts degree, you can work in hotels, resorts, cruise ships, you can work at small mom and pop restaurants, even fast food industry, catering business, food truck. I mean, the world's your oyster.
All right, Jamal, so as you're walking us through a couple of these 6 avocado toasts, what has helped you achieve your success here at Robinson Community College?
Really just patience and consistency, really. Like, if you're not like consistent or patient, you will like burn or, overcook or like, have it raw and it'll mess up a lot. Like, you gotta have patience and consistency because it's not gonna work if you don't.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Anything. I love to cook anything. Like, even like I'm in global cuisine class and we cook Japanese food. I'm looking forward to making Greek food, which is coming real soon. So that's one thing I'm really looking forward to.
Perfect. Well, go ahead and walk us through. We're going to start 2 of these avocado toasts. What's the first thing we do?
Okay, so for the guacamole caprese, we basically add guacamole on it. Make sure we spread it out evenly, get a good coating on it. Once you get a good coating, we'll add the tomatoes and the cheese. So now we're gonna go over to the scrambled eggs with bacon and stuff like that. So get scrambled eggs is basically cook the scrambled eggs with cheese. Like I said before, make sure you get a good coating on it.
And here we have our avocado toast 6 ways. Jamal, if you don't mind, tell us what each one of these are.
So this is the sunny side up. It's caprese with balsamic glaze, pig guy with parsley, and then this is the smoked salmon with lemon, a slice of lemon. This one is the scrambled eggs, parsley, bacon, and this is the feta cheese with chives on it.
Avocado toast 6 ways, here you have it. I hope you're feeling inspired at home. You can make this at home or you can go to Robinson Community College. All that information is for you right there on the screen. We've got sunny side up and we've got a smoked salmon with red onion. I think I'm gonna try this one. We'll see you next time on The Culinary Way.